हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माधुरीज किचन. आज तुम्हाला माझ्या मैत्रिणीची मुलगी शुभ्रा ही मंचुरियन बनवून दाखवणार आहे.
Friends, this is Shubhra. Today I am going to show you recipe of Manchurian, and this I am going to make it with from less ingredients. This is my own recipe. So let's begin. Here I am using finely chopped cabbage. You can also use grinded cabbage, red chili powder, turmeric, and you can also use any masalas like chicken masala or sambar masala, but here I have sambar masala, salt, corn flour and all purpose flour. You can also put red chilies, but my chilies are dried, so I am not using it. Or you can also use garlic. Let's begin how to make. We have removed all accessible water from this cabbage, but you have to not make it totally dry. So let's put all the spices in it. Here I am putting 3 teaspoon red chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can also put more red chili powder to it. 1 teaspoon turmeric, and here I am using 2 teaspoon garam masala or sambar masala or chicken masala also you can use. And here I am using salt as needed. And 3 tablespoon all purpose flour. And 3 tablespoon corn flour. Here I have mixed everything well. If you need more corn flour and all purpose flour, you can add to it, and make sure you have not to make dough of it. It should be fluffy like pakoras. Now let's start to make balls of it. Now let's check the temperature of our oil. Fry the Manchurian balls till it gets little golden brown. The Manchurian balls are ready. You can also serve these Manchurian balls with as it is with tomato ketchup or mayonnaise or pizza sauce or red chili sauce. But I like it with soup, so I am going to show you how to make it. So here I have to soup of hot and sour. You can also use manchao soup, but I prefer hot and sour. So now let's see how to make it. I took one bowl and I am going to put this soup into it. Here I am going to add 1 glass water into it. If you want your soup more soupy, you can also add little bit more water, but not more than half glass. You have to boil it for 3 minutes. Now after cooking our soup for 3 minutes, I am going to add Manchurian balls to it. And after putting Manchurian balls into the soup, you have to cook it for 2 minutes. Our soup is ready to serve. Our Manchurian in soup is ready to serve. You can serve it now. So guys, you can see how delicious our Manchurian with soup is looking. Now let's check how it is. So guys, I will eat.
Be sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel to see some more new videos like this. Thank you, Shubhra.
It is very delicious. If you like this recipe, you can also try it at your home and enjoy the Manchurian balls. Bye.